Thank you.
Is that the only people who want to?
I could wear that on my underwear.
That's after, they have to be waiting to come here. I told Julie a couple of times. So if you could help get all the Minetic generation kids and the Simpson generation. Yeah.
And so that's after this initial thing, it'll be a photo op.
We're talking 2 seconds, yeah.
Okay, I'll get
Literally,
them all.
quickly.
Yep, I'll probably get them lined up.
Yeah. I mean, we don't really have much time, so.
There you go.
Oh, they have a candy bar or something.
His name is Stump, is it?
Andrew Stump.
Copy in your purse?
Also, Kathy, I told Julie all the Minetic kids.
That's later. You can do that later.
We were going to do it after the I'll talk to Julie then.
No, she came to us. Is that what you want?
We need a photo op with all the Simpsons. You could go ahead and have them do that while we're eating. I mean, while we're taking the photo. You want all it's Simpson kids here for a generational photo. And then people could start getting, we have box lunches for the speakers and for these people.
What are you doing? I said, just leave me alone.
That was sure fun yesterday. Oh, it was wonderful. Terrific day.
I'm not gonna wear it the whole time. I'm gonna take it. I'm just wearing it now just because my hair is flying in my face.
Me too.
But do you want me to get your hat?
Well, Al needs his, so his hair is.
Oh, okay.
Where is it? Where he was sitting?
You want your hat?
No.
Oh, okay. Can you tell Kathy that Denny would like her hat though?
No, it's okay.
Are you sure? Okay.
You know, the hat is the one that the person sold us in Guatemala or
In Panama, when we were in Panama.
And I'm going to have it with me and says, because this, Norman and I bought this. And the girl said, what did you pay for it? We said,
We paid $20.
Did you lose your wife?
No, she's over there. I think she's sitting with Ann.
Oh, okay. Because I have a name tag.
Oh, that's where she is.
Oh,
Don't
boy.
shoot.
How you doing?
That's what we do out here, line them up and shoot.
That's right. That's right. That's exactly
How
right.
did you think the program went yesterday morning?
Saw that bumper sticker?
I was just
there you are again.
and I want to do a moment of silence, but I just figured I wanted to talk
honey
more.
pour up.
That's why I made this.
Starving to death.
You understand? Okay. Well, they'll feed you well, Alan.
Oh, here's Denny. Go ahead.
I'm good.
Jump in.
Okay. But see, Shirley took hers off. So. Thank you,
He
Kathy.
has his on.
Where's my handler?
Oh.
So, Kathy, let me know if we could get the Simpson kids. And,
I'll gather them, because
the
that was a
grandkids.
change of plans, but
The
all
Mineta.
the Simpson and all the Minettas.
Yeah, and then the people could get their lunch just while we're doing the photos.
Okay.
So there's no time lost.
There's a gang we
No
saw
time off.
saw all the
Alan's
Connecticut's.
I know he is.
I really was
Handsome
hungry.
family, and there are a lot of them. I mean,
I'm not a coffee drinker like these other guys who keep awake all day.
yeah, that's right.
Curious, Alan, do you still live in the area, or are you near Cheyenne, or
No, we're right here in Cody.
right here in Cody?
Yeah, that's where we lived when we left Washington. Came right back there.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
And there were people said,
I'm having problems sleeping too. I only get like 5 or 6 hours of sleep a night.
I'm out of here. I had money now.
Take your seat in here, and we will be starting the program.
Peter, did that bring you back to the dead there?
Yeah. Yeah, that's first this morning.
Huh?
First nourishment this morning.
Oh my God.
The bakery guy.
No, I'm a do-do-do person. Trust me.
I believe it. No, I'm not.
And Quito
Yeah.
owns a bakery.
Oh, I know. I know that bakery.
He makes sweetsies.
Mochi.
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 Kathy's going to make the announcement from there. So are we doing some photos? Wait. Oh, man.
Gotta get your face in the shade a little bit.
How can you forget a face like this?
Face only a mother can love.
Right.
All right, the program today.
Ava,
He'll be 92 in 2
Ava.
days, and I'll be 91 in 60 days.
somebody needs to, when we're getting up, help us with our hard hats and the shovel and stuff, because it's going to be hard for me to, the shovel is right here, the hard hat's here, but we got to help them get dressed to do it fast.
Great. And you've obviously been pretty good yourself.
I'm working on it. Working on it. I see you every time I walk in the museum. There you are, Buffalo Bill.
How's your honey?
He's great. I'm so proud of him.
Haven't had a chance to say hello, but we haven't seen him.
I know. I tell him you said hello.
Absolutely.
Would you introduce
When
me?
he's not chasing eagles, he's at home.
maybe once we're back on
fishing.
Correct.
So
Once
always gotta
we're all
catch something
seated and
wild.
everyone's
That's
seated,
terrific.
you'll go up and the welcome back. Suzanne.
So many
and I
great
do a
places to
short
fish around
10-second
here.
or 20-second, whatever you
Oh
want to do.
man.
So
We
Claudia's
went to Wood
announcement
River.
Oh, that's
like
great.
right before 12:30.
That's
just
great.
point
That's a
attention
great
to
street.
here, tell people
Yeah.
that
A lot
after
of good
this we'll
branches
get
up
their
there.
lunch and
Yeah.
be quick to sit back down.
Cutthroat, rookies.
You know, yeah, that's
We need to
fun.
make sure it's running fast over there.
I haven't been steady enough to
We
stand
have a
on
box
the
lunch. We
screen
have box
side.
lunches.
Oh, I gotta tell you, that's skillful fishing.
Yeah.
I can't do it. Every time I go, I lose like 5 flies before I get a decent casting. They get hooked in the bushes, the rocks,
The only thing I lose is my balance.
Yeah. I always carry a walking stick. Always.
What's going on back there, girls? I know what you're doing. You want to go back and go play around our house. That's right.
Yeah.
They're looking for that chariot again. To ride around.
Good to see you, Stuart.
Yep. How you doing?
Hi, sweetheart.
We are the old Virginia Tech.
Yeah, I think they should.
Been here in school.
That'll be in 5 minutes.
Business.
Yeah.
Something
No,
business
just for
and
them to see.
communication or something.
I guess so,
do we
but we
just
don't
go
have a
ahead?
lot of time.
We'll just go ahead.
Why can't?
Oh, they might be here. They're here. Okay.
We're
So
the
I'm
Simpson kids too.
Yeah, that's. I was just coming to tell Ara we needed to get the Simpson family.
Sue is.
Yes,
I know
please.
Sue's arrived.
If the Simpsons are coming over, I'm gonna go greet the bands.
Okay.
I'm gonna stay here. I'll be right back.
All right.
I don't know.
Look what you've done. Look what you've done.
Oh, the.
You did.
I'm always on pins and needles though, and my heart rate gets really high when
This is your idea. This is
it's all the Simpson boys, girls.
Simpson boy.
That's all right.
Hey, what are you doing, Turtle?
How was your night
I'm
in
Shirley
your
the good
cell?
Thanks for coming.
I don't have a shell.
How about mom?
Okay, we got Ann. Come on.
Get Ann in here.
And then where's Al? Where's Al?
She's got that pot.
Al's right here. He's right there. They said, "Where's Al?" Deb was asking, "Where are you?"
Hey, shoot.
You gonna sit on his lap?
Go get your dad real quick. Tell him we're doing it now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dakota, we got to make sure people are moving briskly after that. We're going to do photo op, but they need to start their lunch right after this groundbreaking.
Okay, sounds
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
Yep.
I know.
Yep.
Was Lynn with you over there?
This is the group photo. Everybody, get in, squish in. She's coming.
Hey.
Get in here, Mary Ellen. Yes, Lynn and
We're all
Mom
loaded
are
up for
coming.
head over. There you go, man.
I tell you.
Here, JT. Yeah, here, you know what? Switch me, because I got a short person over here. So there we go. There you go. Then they can see you.
Can you get Lynn Simpson? Somebody?
Hold me up. Because I'm
There
tippy
she's
toe.
coming. She's coming.
Yeah.
Yep. And Sue's coming.
All right, good. That's great.
No, where's he going?
Okay, someone's through here.
We're waiting still in the shower.
Oh, you're Sue.
Someone.
I can see Heart Mountain.
Grand look at the cameras.
Yeah, she's coming. Sue's
We can
coming.
get a copy of this.
There she
Yeah.
We can get a
And
copy of
Sue,
this.
sure.
Sure.
actually have
Get in here,
Lynn
son.
behind Pete.
Here, Mom.
Yeah.
Aunt Lynn's gonna stand
Lynn?
behind Pete.
Yeah.
We're coming through.
Okay.
She is, she is stuck behind me for years.
Okay. Yep.
Favorite position. Okay.
Go through the shrubs, boys.
Okay. Okay, where's the shovels and the hats? Where's Ava?
They're all over here.
Oh, okay. All right.
You guys are all.
The trick is you can. If I did that.
All right, we'll get the shovel and the hats now. Oh, one more shot. Any photo ops happening now? We're done after the shoveling. So. Okay.
Boy, I saw you come through the weeds there. You just ruined all the...
All right, if I can have Al, Pete, and Denny, and Aura come up here. And if we could get the hard hats organized along with the shovel in hand. Here we go.
It is. All right.
And then you and Al will hold the shovel.
That's all gloves.
Can you help me with that?
Hard hat for Pete, hard hat for Al. Oh, you want your cowboy hat or your hard hat?
No, hard hat.
Hard hat, your shovel.
You can. I'd be honored.
I can manually adjust as well.
Fine. Where's Al? He's right behind you. Let Al go now with Danny and then you get her Al.
Pete will be on that side.
Never get that off.
Is that better? Yeah. Is that all right? Okay. All right. Okay, here, Pete, yes.
Excuse me, did you want? No.
That's great. I just want to make sure.
Well, thank you for coming today, and this is the groundbreaking for the Mineta-Simpson Institute. I know Norm couldn't be here today. Denny is here with us and holding the shovel with Al, and we hope that the Mineta-Simpson Institute will take hold and make this country what we want and better. According to Pete, that was his words. So thank you for being here. All right, well, everyone quickly grab your lunch. Well, or what?
I'll make my way back.
Oh, okay.
And
we have lunch for for Pete and Al and Denny.
Oh, for lunch first, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
Liz,
thank you.
come in here, Liz. Let's get Liz in here. Yeah, get Dick in here.
Oh my God.
Oh, all right.
Next to your dad.
Liz, get over here. Do you want to get over here next to Pete?
Oh, you can stay next to your dad.
That would be
Yeah, I went up the mountain as soon as I got off work. So didn't know we ever have a meeting.
I'm sure the Heart Mountain. We've met a couple times. Yeah. Representative James, Vice President. Over here, guys.
Hi, Mac.
Dad, they're taking pictures. Oh, yeah, no, Dad, they're taking pictures.
Chatting to your mom.
Requested. They are. All righty.
Oh, Liz, there you are.
I've got her.
Oh. So everyone feel free to start eating lunch, and we'll be migrating to the podium in a bit. So we only
I see Jeanette.
Oh, okay. Jeanette, here.
I will make announcements.
Great, yeah.
So we're time.
Get them going. Can you get iPad?
Good to see you. Hey, Kathy. Trying to get the water.
Whoa, gosh.
Hi, Dex.